Changing job statuses. Keeping the status of a job up to date is very important for all involved. The system will notify you about a job proposal. Once logged in, you can find this job via the Recent Jobs panel or Jobs page. As a supplier, you need to either accept or decline the proposal. To decline a proposal, simply click on Decline Proposal. In the pop-up window, you have the option to state why you are declining. This is optional, but also helpful for the project manager. Click OK to decline the job and send your message to the system. The manager will be notified and can find a new supplier for the project. You will not need to do anything further regarding this job. If you would like to take the job on, click Accept Proposal. A similar window will pop up, and again, you can write a message to the project manager. This time, because we want to accept the job, there's another step. You must first read and agree to the terms and conditions. Please read them carefully. If you would like to print the terms and conditions for your records, do so by clicking Print. Once you have read and understood the terms and conditions, close the window. If you agree, check the box and click OK. You have now accepted the job. The system will automatically change the job status to In Progress. You may now begin working on the job if you wish. If you're not going to immediately start the job, there is another step in the process. Click Not Started to notify the project manager that you intend to delay working on this job. Again, you can provide further information in the form of a message to the project manager. After writing the message, click OK to change the status and send the message. If you choose to begin working immediately, you must first update the work status of the document to be worked on. Some jobs will have multiple documents to be completed. It is important to update their work statuses as you progress. To change their statuses, use the drop-down menu. Choose In Progress if you will begin working on the document immediately. Choose Problem if you would like to flag the document for managerial review or if you have a specific question. Choose Completed after you have finished your work on the document. You can add and view comments by clicking on View Edit Comments. You can add comments at any time. This is especially important if you want to report an issue or if you have set the status to Problem. Click OK to send your message. The message will then appear in the Work Status column. After you have finished all the documents, you can then complete the job as a whole. To do so, click Job Completed found at the top of the page. As always, you have the option to leave a message for the project manager. Click OK to complete the job and send your message. The system will notify the project manager and update the status of the job to Completed. The document will then progress forward in the translation process. You're almost finished, and there is just one more step before moving on to your next job. Wordbee has a built-in rating system to help improve supplier performance and customer satisfaction. Clicking on the rating in the upper right-hand corner will open a pop-up window. Simply click on the number of stars that you want to assign in each field. Depending on the task of the job, you will be asked to rate different things. The system admin is responsible for determining what ratings are shown. When you are finished, click outside the rating box to exit. You are now finished with this job.